Hello people, today we'll see few different functionalities of Excel. Excel has most of the inbuilt functionalities which are useful for regular business operations. But still you can extend the functionality further by using add-ins. Here I have list of places. I want to highlight these in the map as location. See, here we have shown this in map. If I change any location in this column, then it will also display in map. Next, we have number of persons in a city based on their profession. I want to represent like this. Next, I have some web links and this should be converted as QR codes. All above operations we'll see in Excel. Let's go to Excel. In MS Office tools, we have an option called Addins. These are the tools used to extend Excel functionalities. You can find this under Insert tab. There are two types of add-ins. You can create your own add-ins if you know computer programming. We see how to create a custom add-ins by using Excel macro or VBA. Today we'll work with add-ins available in the add-ins store. See here, under Insert tab, we have few options under add-ins. This is the option where you can download the add-ins. Please note that your system should have internet connection to access this store as this is an online store. Click on the store. Here it will show you all the available add-ins. Here left side you see category level add-ins. Here you can see the add-ins. You can see the description to understand functionality of particular add-in. Now we will see how we can update the stock price of few companies in real time by using add-in. Go to Insert tab. Under Add-ins, click on Store. In search box, enter the name of the add-in as Stock Connector. Here you can see the add-in. Click on Add. Go through the terms and conditions, then click Continue. Right side, you can see a new panel with options. Now the add-in has been added to your Excel. Using this, I can get the stock prices. I need the stock price of these companies in this column. Here in this text box, enter the company name. Click Connect. Choose the company for which you want the stock price. I am selecting this. Select the cell where you want the stock price to be updated. Here I am selecting the cell against my company list. See, the current stock price has been updated. You can set the interval time to refresh the value. Go to the add-in panel. Here you can see refresh every 15 seconds. This means my data will get refreshed for every 15 seconds. If you want, you can customize the time. Like this, you can add multiple company stocks. Next, I have these URLs or links. I want to create a QR code for these links. By scanning that QR codes, you can open these links. For this, we have one add-in called QR4 Office. Go to Insert tab. Under Add-ins, click on Store. In search box, enter the name of the add-in as QR4 Office. Here you can see the add-in. Click on Add. Go through the terms and conditions. Then click Continue. Right side, you can see a new panel with options. Select the cell where you have a link. In this add-in options, click on this arrow. It will copy and paste the value in this text box. Here you can see the QR code. Now select a cell where you want to insert this QR code. Then click on Insert. See, the QR code has been generated. You can create your QR code for custom values as well. Next, we have list of places. These are WHO heritage sites. I want to show these places in a map. For this, we can use Bing Maps add-in. Go to Insert tab. Under Add-ins, click on this Bing Maps. A new panel will be added to Excel. This is the Bing Maps add-in. Close this pop-up. First select the locations list. Now click on this Show Locations. See, all the locations have been located in map. If you click on any of these hotspots, you can get the details. You can customize this display using these settings. You can add any location to the list. After adding any location, just refresh the maps. Here we have number of people for each profession. I want to show this in graphical representation. Go to Insert tab. Under Addins, click on this icon. Like this, you can show the number of people in each profession. Double click on this heading. Here you can enter the heading. I am entering as profession level census. Now select the data. Click on select your data. Then click on create. See, our data has been shown in graphical representation. You can customize these formats. Click on these settings. Here you can select the style or theme you need. Once you click on add button from the store, the add-in will be added to your Excel add-ins list. You can see all the add-ins added. Go to Insert tab. Under Add-ins, click on My Add-ins. Here you can see few add-ins. Click on See All. Here you can see all the add-ins you have. To remove any add-in, click on this Options button, then click on Remove. You can create your own add-ins using Excel as well. You can write macros using VBA script. We'll see this in detail in our further sessions. Once you have written any script using VBA, you can save that Excel file as add-in. Later, you can add that add-in. We'll see how to save Excel as add-in. Create new Excel file by using shortcut Ctrl+N. This is our new Excel file. Press F12. Here select the path. I am choosing on desktop. Enter the file name as sample add-in. From this save as type list, select Excel add-in. Then click on save. Our add-in has been saved. Close this file. Now we will see how to add our custom add-in to Excel. Go to Insert tab. Under Add-ins, click on My Add-ins. Click on Manage Other Add-ins. Here down you can see a drop-down called Manage. From this list, select Excel Add-ins. Click Go. From this window, click on Browse. Here select the add-in. My add-in is on desktop. Once you select the add-in, click on OK. See here, our add-in has been added. Select this add-in and click OK. The add-in has been added. Go to Insert tab. Under Add-ins, click on My Add-ins. Click on Manage Other Add-ins. See here, this is our add-in. Please note that you should not delete the add-in file saved in this path. If you remove the add-in file, then you will get error. That's how you can add your customized add-ins. We'll see in depth how to create our own add-ins. These add-ins are common in other MS Office tools like PowerPoint, MS Word, etc. Please try the add-ins from store, and if you have any queries, comment below. So far, we have seen how to work with add-ins and store for these add-ins. That's all about this video. We'll see further concepts in our next videos. Any suggestions, please comment below.